Hello and welcome friends to the lecture series of printing technology, and here we are going to study the effects of colors and human, and after that we can select the different colors according to the season, according to geographical criteria, according to the human psychology, and according to the person who is going to use that particular fabric. We will select the colors as well as designs for different areas which are in our social life. So let's start with the effects of printed color on human psychology. Here we can see the every humans are like different colors, and every humans are liking the different combinations of colors in printed design. So let's see that how it affects the emotions. When you see the warm colors, you will feel energetic, you will feel aggressive, you will feel passionate. When you see the cool color, you will feel very calm nature, you will feel relaxing. Now when you see the bright color, your eyes are very broadened, and when you see the muted colors, you will feel some boring effect. So let's see that how the colors can make different emotions or produce the different emotion in us. So colors can make us happy, sad, hungry, and relaxed. You can see the combinations of colors in the picture. When you feel happy, the colors are very bright, very warm. When you feel sad, colors are very dull, very muted. When you feel hungry, colors are bright but not warm because your energies are not there. So when you are feeling hungry, your colors are very cool and bright. And when you're feeling relaxing, colors are very calm, cool, and muted. So let's begin with the individual's colors. That the colors which feel warmest, which is the increase our heart rate and which excites us. The very warmest color in the color world is red, which increases the energy, passion, and it fills us the danger. So it starts with the rose, okay, and this is the combination of red color which with other cool color, which increases the depth of or increases the ratio of the color to feel us. Let's see the another color which feels the aggressive, very balanced, and it gives the happiness. It's orange, creativity, youth, enthusiasm, and you can see the different shade of orange colors are printed on this dress material. Now, very most, which is the most energetic color, optimistic, cheerful. It's a yellow, which gives us the happiness, which gives us the hope, and which also react very spontaneously. And you can see in this picture, the lady which wear the yellow sari with combination of different shades of yellow. It ultimately shows us the spontaneity, hope, and which is optimistic. That means it's a very positive and also gives the energy. Now, which color is very close to our eyes, which gives us the inspiration, security? It's a green. Very natural color, which shows the growth, which shows the harmony, stability, and that's why we can see in our army there are so many green shades are there. In regular, our security guards they are also wearing very regularly green colors. So you can see the charm of green color. Now each color is very safe and relaxed. It gives us the friendly feel. It's a blue, calm, trust, and intelligence. You can see. The pictures are already shows us the different criteria which we are discussing. That picture, that printed design give us the feel about that relaxation, feel calm, you can trust. Now which is the very creative and wealthy. It's a purple. It also shows the luxury, spirituality, and mystery. You can see. Very sweet, cute, and charming color. It's a pink, of course. Sweet, cute, and charming. Generally, we are believing that when we are talking about the pink color, it's a femininity. No, pink color can be worn by male also. And you can see in picture when he is wearing the pink, he is also sweet, cute, and charming. Now, which is down to earth, which is the color of earth. It's a brown. So down to earth, stability, support, and honesty. You can see. Yeah. And that's why we are believing in chocolate. We are giving for the honesty or support. Now, which is color is very serious, very simple. It gives us the fear, gives us the sadness. It's a dark color and it's a black. Power, elegance, and sophistication. That's why all delegates meetings and all delegates in meetings are wearing the black color. Now, which is very fresh, clean, and neutral. Of course, it's a white, purity, innocence, and minimalism. Reserve, very subdued, and lacking of emotion. We are saying it's a gray movie. What is the gray movie? It's a very reserved and it lacks the emotions. That's why it's a gray color. Formality and conventionality. You can see. And these are the different colors with the emotion guide. You can see the optimism, friendly, excitement, creative, trust, peaceful, balance, all the brands of different companies which are worldwide famous, popular. They are choosing the color on the basis of their requirement. And you can see if you select the strength, if you select the trust, you will go to the Oral B, of course, Facebook, Dell. When you are selecting the friendly confidence, then it's Amazon, Relays, Mozilla, Fanta. When you are selecting the creativity, Yahoo, Orkut, Cadbury, and it's a balance, neutral, it's a Honda, Apple, Cartoon Network, Wikipedia. Hmm. So how the color perceives, it's depend on the age, gender, and culture, which we had discussed in early slides. Now, how let's see some examples that how the cultures are affecting the color combinations. So, in one culture, when woman wearing a wedding dress, which is a white, and you can see she's very happy. But when we are moving towards the another culture, a different culture, where the white color is for sadness, so it's associated with the grief and death. So you can see the according to culture, the color selection are also changed. So these all about the single color, individual color. But what feelings are evoked when we are using the multicolor design, and what happens when we bring them all together? So at that time, we have to choose our color for design, which will be or which must be playful, creative, and informal. And this is the examples of kids garment where we had selected the different colors and design on the basis of playful and informal. But when we are talking about the adult, so we have to go for a creative and informal. Here we can't select the playful, we have to go for creative. Okay, so according to the culture, according to the age, and according to the gender, we are selecting the different colors as well as the different design, and that's why it is a playful, creative, and informal. Now, how to select the color on the basis of season, that is the winter, summer, spring, and autumn. So let's begin the color journey with the seasonal effect. So here are some warm family color which we can choose for warm autumn or warm spring. You can see when it's a warm autumn, we are selecting the soft and warm colors. And when it's a warm spring, we are selecting the light, bright, and warm colors. As per the choice of our colors, we have to avoid some or different colors also, which are cool, crispy, muted. Okay, you can see the various combination and all are warm colors. When we are going for a spring, it's a bright color, and when you are going for autumn, it's very soft color. Another example for the cool family, when it's a cool winter or cool summer. When it's a cool summer, we are choosing the muted icy color, and when it's a cool winter, we are choosing the crisp icy colors and berries. When it's a deep family, deep autumn, we are selecting bold, very bold, dark, deep colors. And when it's a deep winter, we are selecting the bright, saturated, and deep colors. Your eyes are already catching these different colors when you are seeing these slides. So that's why we are seeing a different shades that which colors we can select according to the season and seasonal garments. When it's a very clear color, that is a clear spring and clear winter, bright saturated colors. When it's a winter, icy, highly saturated, jewel tones. When it's a light family, that is a light spring, light summer. When it's a light spring, we are selecting the warm undertone and pastels. And when it's a light summer, we are selecting the light colors with cool and undertone. Avoid all deep color when it's a light spring and light summer. When it's a soft autumn and soft summer, avoid highly saturated colors, which we had selected in the warm winter, very deep winter. So here we are selecting the light muted and dusty colors. So these are the references from which I have selected all the figures and all the photos, all the images. And thank you for watching, friends. And in our next session, we will start with the printing area and how the designs are creating the different zonal or effect on the mind when it reacts with the human psychology. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.